Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love, the support. I just can't thank you enough. So, my beautiful people, another one is here again. Hey, I don't really know what is happening these days. So I don't know. But there is a message from Cameroon or from the Ambazonia army to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Or I don't really know who this person is passing the message to because I myself, I don't understand what is happening. So if you listen to the explanation or to the message and you understand, please drop it for me in the comment section and I'll be right back.
Voilà. Yes, Mama me and my papa them. I do this short, I want to do this video for tell and I say that time don't reach where all man need to put your head for the fight. I don't see how when Nigeria people they come and say they want to fight Cameroonian for the country. Me I no be Cameroonian here, I be Ambazonian fighter. And I stand for fight for my freedom of our people them. So if the man feel say if he can challenge me for inside my place, me there for back. I dey hear how they talk say they don't kill this, they don't do this. Now see with this. Now see me there, see there. I need to shake for any man. Me any man no say time don't reach for that people them. I dey count for them. And I dey count for all now. That Nigeria people they wanna think say una too much. When I say bullet in the enter una now, we go see what that bomb so they enter una body. When I think so una get hurt, well, I go count for una. Una go know how it dey. Level don't change here. Me any man where the stay for Lobby Estate, it is stay for Lipenja, me pack comot. Because when I come, the time go be na say not civilian, I no go lie for see and for day. Because now it don't be na banter between me and that Nigeria people them. Since they say they want to see me, I come for them. I mean they ready. What way they do and if they say they don't win, they know I win. But they don't for back. I tell any man for Lobby Estate, say me come on now so we don't want for Lipenja. I don't want to repeat myself again. Lobby Estate, Lipenja, I want to see me the banter beat between me and them. I don't want to get some civil and me get injured. My way life for year, me year. I don't get plenty top for turn now. That time don't reach to fight. Me any man come up for play what talk. Now the last order that the game. If they know that self, when I tell why they call that and then who they call it. He said, okay, the boss, Afara. I send you down Afara. If you not say you strong, me told me for so and so place with me and you go stand up. I don't hear say don't come for fight me, eh? My brother ready. I tell you, Afara, I say ready because I come for you. If you say two I do I small, if you say two I do I big, you know big. Wait to me I go do you. You know go fit to understand. I tell you, Afara, if you know what's good, you pack your kako, you leave this area. I don't overhear you, don't over talk plenty. Your time don't come for you for go for early grave. If you don't leave this town, me I go make and you go leave go for heaven. Not for heaven for heaven, for hellfire. I don't give you now 2 days for you to evacuate for this environment. I don't get talk to tell plenty. Now the small listener that I get and for tell my people them. Thank you very much.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, lovers of freedom. Good morning to all the supporters of freedom. Good morning to all Biafrans. Those that wish well to Biafra, today is Nkwo Market Day, the fourth market day, the last market day, and it have happened to be also the last day of the week. It is well designed by the gods of the land. Well designed by the gods of the land. Because today is the last market day and the last week of the week. Shabbat Shalom to all the Sabbatania. Shabbat Shalom to all the Biafrans. Today is the day of Ikuku. Ikuku. I want to tell you that this morning they have come with a new style. Nigeria government, the terrorist zoological republic have come with new style. They came with new style this morning. But as I told them before that in whatever way they came, we are equal to the task. It is the game we know how to play best. They have come with silent drum and have been dropping bomb more than 10 since morning as early as 6 o'clock. They have been dropping bomb with drum. But the question I want to ask them, as I always do, if you use one day to drop bomb, what happened to the other 6 days? Nothing happened. Oh. If something happened, I will not be here to tell you this. Nothing really happened. No effect of all their bomb that they have been dropping. Just the same way Israelis has iron missile that have been intercept all the rocket launcher, all the bomb, the Philippine, Afghanistan, and Gaza have been throwing to Israel. The same way Chukokika Biama have sealed us with, shield our territory with anti-bomb protection. It will be like a magic unto them, but they do not know that they cannot destroy us, as I always tell them. You always waste the money. Look at your economy, it is going down. Instead of you to think how to, save your citizens and negotiate Biafra and save your life, you think of to use the money, even as your economy is going down, to buy weapons to come and fight for us. That is what I call waste of money. You can hear the sound of gun. We are properly now engaging them. We are engaging them. They are afraid to come with a fighter jet, rather they are now using drone to come and be dropping bomb. But I'm here to tell them that all their bomb that they have been dropping since morning, nothing happened. They can see. And as you can see, nothing happened. I'm seeing the bush, they came to drop the bomb. I'm seeing the forest. And as you can see, I am staying very comfortable, telling them that we go nowhere. Okay? We go nowhere. So therefore, do not panic. Don't be afraid. We are capable to the task. We are equal to the task. Oh, no, it is understatement to say we are equal to the task. We are greater than the task. Believe you me, we are greater than the task. They have come to die, and they will die in mass. Their foot soldiers have already approached, thinking that the bomb have already caused a lot of damage. For their greatest surprise, they are collecting right now. As I'm talking to you now, they are collecting wutu. Later in the day, I will still come up to update you what conspired today. But right now, we are combating their foot soldier because they thought that the bomb have already claimed us. But they're supposed to know us by now that we are those child where then they call Awanowu. I don't know if I pronounce it well. Awanowu. You do abortion to remove a child, the child refuses. He says it's either he follow you or you follow him to the grave instead of him to come out. And finally, since you no one die, you will give birth to the child. The child, because of the things you have been taking, you disconfigure the child, and the child refuses to die. The child refuses to die, whatever things you do. Even though you give that child poison, this snapper, the child will not die. That is who we are. Tell them that is who we are. They cannot kill us. No matter what they do, we refuse to die. They will only waste their money, they will only waste their time, and they will only lose their life. And at the end of it, Biafra will see come. Biafra will see come. That is for sure, 100% sure, that at the end of all this drama, Biafra will emerge. I wanted to do broadcast tonight. The network did not allow me. Then keep cutting me off and restarting my Facebook. So maybe later in the evening, I will combine the update of today, war, and what the exposition of the DOS guy that was out of frustration, is cry out his mind out of frustration. I will still bring him on board. But for now, let the game begin. Because the enemies of Biafra land have come to die in the land of our ancestors. And I pray to Chukokika Biama, the creator of heaven and earth, the owner of water and land, that the land of Biafra will suck enough blood of the enemies. Today is Nkwo and Ikuku. will claim their life as many as he could, because they will go nowhere. They come to the land of Biafra, and the land of Biafra will kill them because they come with bullet and gun. They are the enemies of people. They are the enemies of land, and the land will swallow them. The land of Biafra will swallow each and every one of them. You can hear the battle is going on. I just come here this morning to tell you to stay tuned. Keep praying for the men on ground, although we are greater than the problem. We are on top of the situation. But your prayer is our strength. Your prayer is our power. Right now, the spirit of the land is already out for work, and they are beginning to fall. I told you, this is how to know if they are winning us. This is how to know if they are winning us. If I did not come up to update you on time, then you know, hey, maybe these people don't win us. But what normally happens to them as they come, so they will die as many before even 12 o'clock, they don't run. Wash my mouth. And look at your time now, it's just 7:30. Before 12 o'clock, because of too much death they will incur today, they will run away. Then go don't run away. Like I use grammar, speaking. These people no get strength. They are just terrorists. They know they won't die, all of them. If they just see, say, many of them don't they fall, the next thing they go begin to shout, retrieve, 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 retrieve. Either fight and run away, live to fight another day. Now waiting then they shout here. Then go begin to run away. But the good thing is that we always tell them to pack their dead body because we don't want their dead body to smell in the street of Biafra. At least the blood don't pour for ground. That is enough for us. Now their blood we need. We don't need their dead body. And we will give them that chance to pack their dead body. Did they hear me so? We are the owners of the land. This is the land Chukwuka Kabiama gave to our first father, that gave to our great-grandfather, that gave to our grandfather, that gave to our father, that gave to us. But believe you me, this very land, we must give it to our children without the presence of any terrorists. Terrorist Fulani, terrorist Yoruba, terrorist Hausa, terrorist Britain. There will be no presence of any terrorists in the land. Nothing anybody can do about it. Do you understand that? They must understand that it is either Biafra or Biafra, nothing less, nothing more. It does not matter how many there are. If they come in million, they will die in million. If they come in million, they will die in million. Then come in 1,000, they will die in 1,000. Then come in 100, they will die in 100. Then come in unit, they will die in unit. Then come single, they will die single. The land of Biafra will swallow all the enemies of Biafra. We go nowhere. The earlier they understand now, this, the better for them. And we are here to restore the holy lands of Biafra, and there's nothing anybody can do about it. Do you get me? So therefore, I will tell them to deploy more soldiers. Try your best. Try your very best to stop us. Because what I know for sure is that the more you try to stop us, the more you empower us more to step forward. The more you put your strength to stop us. You know, when you put all your strength to stop something and that thing still grow from strength to strength, you'll be frustrated. Nigeria will be frustrated at the end. At the end of it, they will say, Biafra, go your way. So I encourage them to put more of their strength. Put your strength more. You will understand at the end that it is Chukwuka Kabiama that sent us. We did not send ourselves. Because the death of innocent soul you have been killing, have been crying for vengeance for God. And God have heard their prayer. And every single soul you have been murdered in the cool blood, every innocent soul you have been killed, their blood must be revenge. If you like, you believe. If you don't like, but if you do not believe any other thing, believe this, that at the end of this show, Biafra will be emerged. You can't stop it. It is too late to stop it. Very, very too late to stop it. If you know those that are too close to the spirit, that know the spiritual things, go and ask them, can we stop Biafra from emerging? They will tell you pure and true that Biafra have already emerged in the spiritual realm. And there's nothing you can do to stop it. You only waste your resources. And you only destroy yourself. You have come to die in the land of Biafra. Go and do your finding. You can't stop us. We are unstoppable. We are unstoppable. Since morning you are bombarding this place with bomb. See, send your drone to come and view where you have been throwing bomb. Nothing happened. Nothing at all happened. And you have gone with your foot soldier. Are they not be falling now? They are falling now. They are falling now. They are falling now. With all your armor tanga, with your chain gun, they are still falling. This is the dance of the spirit. A tree, every tree power is from its root. Our ancestors have already prepared us. Chukwu Biama, the creator, have already prepared us for this. You can't bring us down. Wash my mouth. You cannot bring us down. You come with gun and bullet, you will die with gun and bullet. You come with bomb, you will die with bomb. Any mean, any way you come with, is the same way you will die with. Yes. You understand that we are the owners of the land. And it is only a foolish mother or a foolish father that his child will run and hide in his arm, and the stranger will come in, bounce inside the house and remove the child from his arm and kill and beat. It is an insult. And that is what I just bring this to you. Our ancestors will never allow you to come into our land and kill us. They are very furious. They are already arise with anger to destroy you. It is them that are fighting our war. The God of the Creator who gave this part of land to our ancestors is furious with you people, and is the one that will destroy you. Do you think this battle is us fighting? We are only there to represent them. We are only there for you to feel our presence, but in the real sense, it is them that is fighting for us. That is why when we shoot one gun, it kills many of you. I just want to give you the expo. You don't know. When we blow one Ogbunigwe, it claims so many lives. We shoot one gun, it kills many of you. Even your own gun turned back to kill one of you. You don't have sense. You don't know anything. If it was us that is fighting this battle, you could have won us since long time ago. We couldn't have remained even one. But because it is not us that is fighting this battle, I keep telling you this is the dance of the spirit. And you cannot win them. They are legion. They are in your front, they are in your back, they are watching you. Every move you make, they are there with you. And now them be the breeze you are breathing. Now them be Ikuku. Today is the day of breeze market. Ikuku. Ikuku, then call it Nkwo market day. Then sell it on the sky, on the air. Today they will seize all your breath. And without breath, without air, you cannot survive. And you will die today in your numbers. You will watch your brother going down in front of you because their life have been taken away from him. And you cannot do anything. That is what I wanted to know this morning. Children of the Most High God, the lovers of freedom, the supporters of Biafra restoration, and all good wishers of Biafra, I don't want you to be in any shaking or in any fear. We are on top of the situation. We are above them. We are greater than them. Even though there are 1 million marching to the land of Osumowo right now to battle with us, we are greater than them. All of them will die. And as I told you before 12 o'clock, because of too much death, they were already in cure. They will run away. Right now, their number of death is getting to 15. The number of men that fall is getting to 15. They get sense anyway. Immediately they don't die reach 30. and go no say, hey, today no be for us. When we begin to go back. And you go hear them say, retrieve, 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 either. And we will also reply to them, retrieve, 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 either run away, come to die another day. Yes. Either run away, come to die another day. Yes. Our ancestors are greeting the well-wishers of Biafra. You can hear their voice if you are in the spirit. You can hear them very well. They are greeting you. As I say that to them, they will start shouting, retrieve, retrieve, either run away, live to fight another day. And we are here responding to them that retrieve, retrieve, to them, that either run away, come to die another day. And that is how it is. I do not expect to go more longer. I will cut this call from now, this broadcast from now, to update you later in the day. I salute you. My later in the day to accept for some minutes. Thank you very much.
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and bye-bye.